Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I figured let's just go for a drive. It's nice out, so why not? Now, before I get too far, a few guys have mentioned that they're having problems data logging with their FiTech. They're saying it's not saving the file. So I tried it on mine, and sure enough, it's not saving either. I think that's because I downloaded their latest software, or at least the latest as of last year, and it causes an issue. Well, I found the solution, and I'll skip to that right now.
So you've done some data logs on your FiTech and you want to go and look over the information. So you plug your handheld into your computer and it says open USB mass storage. Say OK. And then it brings up this menu here. You go into your log file and into your dashboard, and there is nothing there. It did not save it. So this is exactly how mine looked, where I had the dashboard folder and a couple of CSV files, which were kind of weird. Also notice the size says 0 kilobytes, so there is no data inside of these. So what's happening is after I did my software update, the FiTech did not know how to save, or did not know where to save these CSV files because I had the dashboard folder already existing. Weird, I know, but that's how it goes. So what you have to do is simply delete these files and that folder. So now when you're in your log, so if we go back, go into your log file, there's nothing there. Okay, so now you can go for a drive and do some data logging. And again, make sure you hit the data log on with the car running and the data log off with the car running. Otherwise, it may not save the file properly and you're just chasing your tail. We go ahead and plug this back into the computer, go to log file folder, and now you can see a dashboard folder is once again back. We go into that and we have our data log files. So if I click on this, you'll see there's my data log. So it fixed the problem. So if you're having that issue, try this out and hopefully that fixes the issue for you.
So now that our FiTechs are logging again, let's go out and rip it up. I have a camera on the back just for a new view. So, and I tried everything I could to stop the wind. It's covered in foam, but it's not really doing anything. So unfortunately, you just got to bear with me. I have cleaned the roads a bit, but I don't know if there's going to be any more traction or not. Find out. It still spins the tires. the drive. Had some fun. Didn't break anything, at least I don't think so. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos. If you want to support the channel, there's a couple links in the description that you can check out. And as always, thanks for watching.